Here's how you create PQRs in WeldNote. From the main screen, click on the PQR menu option on the left. Click New to begin creating the PQR. Type in the certificate number and select the standard, and click on Create PQR and continue editing. After this, you will be able to start filling in the remaining information of your PQR. Keep in mind that most fields are non-mandatory, so you only need to fill the information that your document has written in it. If you have a digital version of the document you are creating, you may upload it as a PDF to WeldNote's file database, and it will be associated with this PQR, allowing you to access it from inside the software. Choose the company that this PQR was qualified and/or welded on. This field is useful if your company has multiple subsidiaries throughout the world, or if you are a consulting agency or notified body. Select the examining body that qualified the PQR, as well as the date it was emitted. There is also a Special Requirements field. This field allows you to set specific requirements related to your company or to your clients, and you can use this to filter for future projects. To add a special requirement to your database, go to Settings, Welding Elements, Special Requirements, and click on the Add button. Below the basic information card, you will have 6 different tabs: Details, Base Materials, Consumables, Passes, Other, and Tests. We'll begin by the Details tab. Weld type refers to the type of union you are making on this PQR, usually BW or butt welds and FW or fillet welds. These fields are related to the standard that you chose beforehand, so you will have complete joint penetration butt welds in AWS D1.1, for example. In these fields, once you fill in the test piece values, the approval range calculation will show up on the right, based on the standard you have selected. For this PQR, I'm filling in the product type, the welding process, the welding details, the process mechanization, the welding position, and the type of current. Some fields will have a magnifying glass next to them. These will let you search through an extensive database, like the base materials or the filler materials. Click on the magnifying glass and type in a few terms for your material. You must write the correct value in each of the fields. You should write A106 in the specification, while the grade should be A, B, or C. The same goes for the filler materials, where SFA 5.18 should be in the specification and ER70S-6 should be on the classification. Let's go into the Passes tab now. Click on Add New Parameter to add a new line. Fill in the pass number and select the layer that you want to use for this pass. The fields that you input beforehand will be automatically filled in. Keep in mind, the values for the welding process, filler material, and type of current/polarity should already be filled in, so if you didn't, go back and fill them. As you put all the amperages and voltages, WeldNote will calculate the heat input based on the standard you've selected. The Other tab has some additional details that you may want to add to the PQR. And finally, on the tests, you may input all the test reports and the PDF files associated with them. Keep in mind that if you have a PQR that was qualified with Sharpie V-notch tests, you should input the information in the impact test zone, as they will affect your approval ranges, depending on the standard you've selected. In the end, scroll back up and click Save, and you will be able to export this PQR into a printable document. Just click on the Export to PDF button. WeldNote will start generating the document, and in the end, you'll be able to download it as a PDF file. And that's it for creating a PQR. My name is Tiago Pereira. Thanks for watching.